Welcome to Kiwi Classes. In this video, I'll guide you step by step on how to register as a teacher and set up your profile to start teaching online. Let's get started. First, open your browser and go to kiwiclasses.com. On the top right corner, click on the Sign Up button. For Teacher Sign Up, select Teacher Slab on Sign Up page. Enter your name, email address, and create a password to begin your registration. Once you sign up, you'll be redirected to the onboarding process. Next, check your email inbox. You will receive a verification email from Kiwi Classes. Open the email and click on Verify My Email to confirm your account. After verification, log in and start building your teacher profile. Now begin with your basic profile details. Write a short bio describing your teaching experience and style, and add a clear profile photo. Next, add your teaching details. Select your subject, such as mathematics. Choose your teaching language, for example, English. And select the grade levels you teach, such as grade 8. Now move on to qualifications. Add your degree or certification, including the title, institution, and year. You can also upload supporting documents, but this is optional. After that, set your hourly rate. This is the amount you will earn per session. Once all details are filled, save your profile. After submission, your profile status will be marked as under review. The Kiwi Classes team will review your profile for approval. During this time, you can see your dashboard, where your ratings, sessions, and profile details will be displayed. Once your profile is approved, it will become active and visible to students and parents. You can then start receiving bookings and begin teaching online. Before you go, here are a few quick tips. Use a professional profile photo. Write a clear and strong bio. Add accurate qualifications, and if possible, include an intro video to build trust. That's it. You are now ready to become a teacher on Kiwi Classes. Thank you for watching.